Dad draws. Hi, I'm John. Today I want to draw a boy. Draw with me, it will be easy, and you will succeed. And you and I will learn how to draw a person. I think this is a good deal. For work we will need a white sheet of paper and wax crayon. This is, I think, accessible. And all the guys in the world have Moscow crayons, I hope. And, of course, there is watercolor or gouache. I'll paint now. Watercolor to begin with, we will take the risk of using wax crayon in coloring. What does a person consist of? From the head, body, legs and arms. So let's begin. Head. Head. Let's draw it like this. Head. Here she is. Round head. Above. Yes. After that, look at yourself in the mirror. You will see the neck. You'll see. And I'll draw the neck. You can say yours or mine. Neck. Fine. Next we draw the body. Body. I draw like a square or rectangle. I would even say, let's immediately draw a t-shirt for our boy. The collar, the shoulders, the t-shirt itself and, of course, the sleeves. Short sleeves. Our boy plays, for example, football. And this is a t-shirt, right? Great. What else does the boy have? Legs, as I said, and arms. Let's legs first. We'll put shorts on the boy's legs. Just like that. 2 stripes. After that, once. Shorts. Ready. Now the legs. The legs themselves are like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each leg has its own thickness, right? And on his feet, I think, are some kind of sandals or sneakers, for example, right? This is how I draw them. 1 and 2. And it's simple and you can do it too. I simplified them like that on purpose, right? And the hands. Hands. Now we have reached the point. 4 hands. So, head, neck, body, shorts, legs, even shoes. Yes. Now the hands. This is how I draw hands. Once. And I think I'll also draw the second hand. Also, so that everything works out for you. Just like that. That's it, 2 sticks down. Now look what the hand is made of. Here are 4 fingers and a 5th finger. And if you put it like this, it looks like it turns out, yes, on the boy's hand. So. And I'll draw 1 finger, and after that 4 fingers. Here and here 1 paw thumbs up. This hand, yes, fits. And here are 4 fingers. Ah, great. Ha! Looks like a boy. Similar, but lacking, of course, ears. I think this is important for a boy. An ear is important for every person. Missing eyes. In the middle we will draw 2 eyes. Just like that. 1 and 2. Very simple. Such ovals. And now we have eyes. You also need a nose. The nose is here, the mouth and eyebrows are here. Pipoo-poo. I think it turned out great. The only thing missing is hair. Of course, our hairs here will turn out like this. I think there might even be a bunch of them here. Our boy turned out to be simply wonderful. It's nearby. With your permission, I will draw him a soccer ball. I really like it when boys, and I like it myself, play football. This is our soccer ball. I think you can do it very easily too. Now we will color. Remove the wax crayon. I'll say it again, pause. When you don't have time, I'll wait for you and you'll draw, and after that we'll continue together. Now we have the most important thing to do, coloring. We, as artists, will take a brush. It is better for the brush to be round and soft, or it is better to take a synthetic one. I tell moms to moms. And better than 10. We wash off the brush, drop a drop on each paint in our watercolor, so that the watercolor gives us the paint faster and so that it paints us well, yes. I think let's start with the body. Let's take flesh color. My set immediately includes flesh color, and this is important. I will tell you parents that when you put away the watercolor, look specifically to see if there is any flesh color. I think this is important. Many guys don't yet know how to mix flesh color, and then it's difficult both in childhood and in adulthood, mixing in adulthood too. But we immediately took a ready-made flesh color. If you don't have it and can't mix it, then take yellow. It will also fit and be very good. Yellow would also work. Like this. Or light. Orange, for example. Great. Oh, we wash off the brush and paint the t-shirt. What color? Myself choose. But I like it, personally I like the yellow color. Very bright. A bright yellow color is very suitable for our football player, my football player, and perhaps green or red will suit yours. I'll add a little orange to it, for example, around the edges. Right here. Yes. That's how bright and good he is. What color is your hair? And you must choose for yourself. If you want to draw yourself, then choose the color of your hair. For example, light, yellow, white, brown, medium, some color. I like brown hair. I myself have black hair. And, as you know, I will still choose brown hair. I think it's beautiful. And many people in the world have brown hair. So I hope I got your hair color right. Let's add a little brown to the eyes. We're changing just a little bit. A little bit, a little bit. Like this. Once. That's it, wash it off. Next, what else do we have left? Shorts. Choose a color. I like the blue color. I take the blue one. But you can also take blue, purple, black. There are a lot of flowers, and I always feel sorry that I don't take everything, but it happens. And the sneakers, I think the sneakers are also yellow. This will be a subcolor to match the color of his beautiful, beautiful t-shirt. The sneakers are yellow-orange. Wow, beauty. I really like my football player. I think you will understand when I say that at the end we will draw some more grass for him, because football is important and there is always grass there. Take the green color, be sure to wash off the brush, green color, and draw below like I did, draw a line and draw the grass. It doesn't look like grass yet because it's just a line. So, let's take another green one. Now let's draw a tap 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 tap. I call this the chop 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 technique. And we draw a lot of grass. And she's already sticking out. It looks more like a lawn now. And it turns out very similar. We wash off the brush. And the last color that we will take today is black. Because we have to paint the ball so that it is a real football black. We will paint these diamonds black. And now today I might think I really liked my football player. I want to see your football player. Be sure to send the link to our Telegram group, where you will find the link in your, QR code next to where you found the QR code for this drawing. I invite you to draw with me. We paint not only with watercolors. We have crayons, we have a lot of gouache, and much more. And there are markers too. And we have almost all the main topics that you will need in life, for example, preparing for school or in the first years of school, here in our course. So I'm very glad to welcome you and I'll be waiting for you at the next lesson. That's it, bye-bye. Yes.